Have you ever had a seed sprout, but the seedlings remain thin, weak, and without strength? Many people think that the problem is in the seed, but the truth is completely different. Today, we're talking about sowing tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. When is the right time and how to do it correctly. And at the very end, I will reveal a natural addition to the soil that makes a big difference. So stay with me until the end. Press like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for that. Tomatoes and peppers love warmth and patience. They are sown earlier because they need more time to develop a strong root and a sturdy stem. Cucumbers are a different story. They are fast and sensitive, so they are sown later and never forced too early. Use clean containers with holes for sowing. The soil must be light and airy because young seeds do not like compacted and heavy soil. The seeds are not buried deep. Tomatoes and peppers just below the surface, while cucumbers go a little deeper. After sowing, just lightly moisten the soil with a spray bottle. Too much water suffocates the seeds and causes rotting. Keep the pots in a warm place until they sprout, and as soon as the first leaves appear, move them to the light so that the seedlings do not run away in height. A short pause to ask you, do you prefer to grow tomatoes, peppers, or cucumbers? Write in the comments, I'm really interested. And now, as I promised, the secret at the very end. Add 1 tablespoon of wood ash to the soil for sowing. Ash is a natural source of potassium and minerals, strengthens the roots, reduces the appearance of fungi, and gives the seedlings strength from the very beginning. No chemicals, no expensive preparations, just proven nature. If you like this natural approach, follow the channel, and share the video with someone who wants a strong and healthy garden this season. See you soon, because with us, the garden always succeeds.